A theory is a way to explain a set of facts. Different theories explain different facts differently. No theory is totally right or totally wrong. Theories help us understand human behavior. They do not predict human behavior. We are going to look at 4 theories that help us understand motivation, human motivation, in slightly different ways. Behavioral views of motivation: motivated to obtain rewards or avoid punishments. This is externalized or extrinsic motivation. This is a shallow and incomplete understanding of human motivation by itself. And again, it's used to understand human behavior but not predict human behavior. By itself, it is a shallow and incomplete understanding of human motivation. Cognitive theories of human motivation. Humans are motivated to learn, to reduce confusion. It's this natural inclination. When you encounter new information or novel information, there's this disequilibrium that is created. This is a very dissatisfying state. Piaget described the process of equilibration. New information creates imbalance, state of disequilibrium. Need to seek balance to make sense of this new information. Use assimilation. You put it in the context of what is known, a known schema or schemata or file folder in your head, or accommodation. You create new file folders or new schema or schemata, or expand to encompass this new information. Social learning theory, motivated to meet social expectations, to seek approval or maintain approval from friends, parents, significant others, to fit into the group, to maintain your identity, achieve social status, or maintain your relationships. This is a combination of intrinsic and extrinsic in coming to understand human motivation. As you'll see in Kohlberg, this is level 3 and level 4. Humanistic motivation. Abraham Maslow, humans motivated to satisfy a hierarchy of needs based on 2 levels: D motivation, deficiency, or B motivation, being motivation. Let's unpack them. Deficiency motivation. You are motivated by a seeming lack of something. Lack of food, lack of love, lack of safety, lack of self-esteem, lack of belongingness. You act to fulfill this need. Low-level motivation. No one acts exclusively at any level, but it helps you understand, again, human behavior, what their motivation is. Being motivation. You are motivated to be at one's highest state. You are inclined to learn to achieve your highest good, to self-actualize, to learn to express yourself, to find your strength, to develop your full potential, to help others, or to connect with something outside yourself or greater than yourself. That is being motivation, and those are higher levels. People who are self-actualized tend to operate at these levels. Helps you understand yourself as well. What is driving me? Why am I acting this way? Why am I doing this way? Why am I thinking this way? Why am I feeling this way? Helps you understand others. Helps you understand yourself as well. You can complete these sentences. That as well might help you understand being motivation or deficiency motivation. 4 views, 4 theories of motivation.